Welcome to our nation's capital and the largest hospital in DC. This is MedStar Washington Hospital Center. With more than 350 residents and fellows, MedStar Washington Hospital Center is a premier teaching and research institution serving the nation's capital. Our 912-bed hospital was established in 1958 and has since been at the forefront of healthcare in the Washington region.
Outstanding outpatient care is a key component of MedStar Washington Hospital Center's commitment to our patients. With over 400,000 office visits annually, you will treat a wide variety of diseases, perform a number of office-based procedures, and promote the health of our urban, predominantly underserved population. Through close attention to social determinants of health and community-based advocacy, we strive to mitigate health inequities.
Recognized nationally as a leader in many areas, we're entrusted with providing primary care to our neighbors, as well as some of the most unique and complex cases seen anywhere.
Washington Hospital Center is really an unmatched hospital.
Working at the hospital center is an incredible educational opportunity. We serve as a safety net hospital for all of the patients in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia areas, and we get to care for the area's sickest patients and collaborate with our colleagues across multiple departments.
While working on the wards, you will not only get to see all the bread and butter cases of your specialty, but you'll also get to see a lot of the rare and exotic cases.
As part of our training, we definitely have a lot of time of seeing different pathologies and different acuities from the outpatient setting all the way to the ICU.
MedStar Cardiology is the largest cardiology program in the region, with the MedStar Washington Hospital Center serving as the main hub. We have one of the busiest left ventricular assist device programs in the region. Our cath lab is a busy coronary cath lab with a large structural program, and we serve as the large center for complex cardiac surgeries with a high volume of CABG, valve procedures, as well as aortic and vascular procedures.
Our emergency department sees more than 90,000 patients annually. We have a stat lab in our emergency department and a dedicated critical care radiology department with CT, MRI, ultrasound, and X-ray immediately adjacent to our department. Working in our emergency department, you'll see a wide range of clinical pathology, and you'll be working one-on-one directly with an ED attending throughout your entire clinical shift.
The experience you'll achieve here is invaluable. You will collaborate with some of the region's most distinguished clinicians in a nurturing environment, all designed to prepare you well for the future.
MedStar Washington Hospital Center is an excellent place to train, given the wide variety of pathology and high acuity. Once you leave here, you'll be ready for anything.
Some of the benefits that I've experienced as being a resident at Washington Hospital Center is being able to be a chief resident so early in my career, and that helped me develop my leadership skills very early so I can do that later on in my career.
Everywhere and anywhere at any time, you will learn something.
When I came out of training here, I know I can feel completely capable of taking care of any patient.
We have a busy labor and delivery floor with approximately 3,600 deliveries per year. We have a high acuity patient panel with high risk obstetric care. Our gynecology service is expansive and includes subspecialties in minimally invasive surgery, urogynecology, and oncology, with a wide variety of clinical pathology.
The Washington, D.C. metropolitan area is definitely one of a kind. Whether you love history, architecture, art, museums, sports, nightlife, food from all over the world, or just being in nature, there is something special in this city for every young professional and their families.
Living and working in Washington, D.C. is excellent.
DC is a beautiful, fascinating city. I love living here. I've been here for 10 years.
I'm not native to DC, but I did go to college in DC and I decided to come back in residency because of how much I love this city. It's one of my favorite cities in the entire United States of America.
Even though I'm living in a city, I can travel 20 minutes outside the city and I'll suddenly be in a vineyard enjoying some wine with friends.
The benefit of living in DC is that there's a great balance between the urban and suburban areas. So there's a little bit of something for everyone.
We're glad you're considering furthering your medical career at this amazing institution, which is not only a regional and national leader in healthcare, but also has a dedicated mission in education. Here we treat all of our trainees not as staff, but as family.